Hi there YouTube, it's Saturday the 26th of October 2019. It's about 11:23 in the morning, and I'm out here at Lake Deweese. I'm going to do a second test. I want to show you, this is the Hero 8 with the same selfie stick that I keep it on. Alright, so you can see that. And here you can see the 5. It's the Hero 5 on the GoPro Grip, Karma Grip I think as they call it. And stabilization is on the 5, and on the 8 here I have hypersmooth on, so this is a maximum. So here you've got the Hero 5 on a gimbal, totally stabilized, with stabilization turned on the camera itself. So, you know, kind of double overkill, but we want to just give it the maximum, and that's what I'm doing with the 8 as well. So I'm going to walk over some of these rocks here where it's a little bit rough, a little up and down, bouncy, and just show you some of the gorgeous mountains out there. So you can see my previous video I just shot just a few minutes ago actually out here as well, but I wanted to do this one with a gimbal. So this is truly a Hero 8 right there without a gimbal versus a Hero 5 with a gimbal, walking on this type of terrain and just seeing how that they both get smoothed out. I suspect that they're going to look extremely close, but I do not believe that the 5 is going to be any better than the 8, which means that the 8 is far superior because of no gimbal. Now I'm standing still here just to give you kind of a round shot of all the mountains. Hopefully you'll like those. I'm sure you will. But here, we'll just walk down here a little bit more because I want to give this a fair test. I'm not walking funny. I'm walking at a good regular speed. I typically walk between about 2.8 and 3 miles an hour. And I know because I walk almost every day for an hour. And that's my typical speed according to my smartwatch. So those are pretty rough. So I'll come over here, do these. So that was a nice little up. Heading back towards the FJ here, as you can see. Here, look out towards the dam out there. That's Deweese Lake Dam. And then these rocks over here with the snow on them. Let's get a closer look. Alright. You can see still some snow on the ground. Got these rocks here, the bright sun. See how these handle that. Back to the mountains. We'll turn away from the sun and we'll just head back. So hopefully this is a good test as well. And you know, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, share it. You know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you got any hints or suggestions or anything for any more tests, anything you'd like to see done, let me know and I'll see what I can get done for you. Alright, I will see you on the next test. Take care of yourselves.